start from there. This is the left is doing the 4 pedal, the right is doing the 2 pedal, and then the right is doing the 4 pedal, and the left is doing the 2 pedal, and then I'm switching between them. Let's just start by doing each of the 2 pieces. So I know you know the left hand doing underhand 4 pedal like this. So we'll just do 5 of them, 4 of them, 3 of them, 2 of them, and then last one. And then let's do the right hand in underhand, front to back, to front, to back, to front, to back, to front, to back, and 2 more, front to back, and last one, front to back, and come down. Okay, now let's try the 4 verse 2. So for the first step, put the right hand in front, the left hand in back. You can do this in same time or split time. And then if you're gonna go from here, both of them will go up and over. And then if you go from here where the right's in the back and the left's in the front, both of them go down and across. So the left hand does the 4 pedal going up and over, while the right hand does the 2 pedal, and then the left does the 4 pedal coming down and across. So up and over, down and across, up and over, down and across, up and over, down and across, up and over, down and across. And so this is a split time version of it. But I think it also has an interesting aesthetic in same time. So that's the same time version. We'll talk about the naming convention, make sure you're clear. If I say 4 verse 2, I mean the left hand does 4, the right hand does 2. It doesn't speak to direction, doesn't speak to anything else, it just says which hand is doing which. If I say 2 verse 4, the left is doing 2, the right is doing 4. So whichever one's in the first position is the left hand, because we read in English left to right, and then that way it's consistent. The only exception to that is, well, maybe there's more than one exception. If we do switch, what I call a switch, that would be a 4 verse 2 switch, for example, where you do 4 verse 2, then 2 verse 4, then 4 verse 2, then 2 verse 4. So you're not consistently doing that. You're switching the position that each one is in. So that is an exception to it, but I don't know a better way of denoting it. So this is the abbreviation that I've been using for, I can't even say how many years. Yes, so all you do is just switch which hand's doing 4 and which hand's doing 2, and then suddenly you have it. So we'll do 5 reps of the 2 pedal here, so front to back. Yes, the left hand is going front to back, and front to back, and front to back, and 4 to back, and 5 to back and down, and then let's do the right hand doing the 4 pedal anti-spin. Let's start in the back position. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll go around 4 times, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, now if we put it together, the right's in the back, the left is in the front. Again, you could do this one just like the other one in split time or same time. So if the left is in the front and the right is in the back, we're going to go up and over. The right will go anti-spin, the left will do in-spin. And then we'll go down and across, and the right will still do anti-spin while the left is doing in-spin. Up and over, and down and across. And up and over, and down and across. Up and over, and down and across. Up and over, and down and across. I would say this one is a little bit harder for me as well. Instead of trying to go for the whole thing, what you could do as an intermediary step is, okay, I've done this piece, and I've done this piece. Now, can I just do one flower going all the way around? So bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, 1 flower. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, 1 flower. Bum, 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 bum. And then once you get 1, you can try 2, or 3, or 4, or whatever. And then I just showed you the split time version. This is the same time version. I think the same time version in many ways is easier than the split time version, but your mileage may vary. I don't think one is more right than the other. I think they have very different aesthetics, though. I think this one looks more simultaneously organized but messed up, because the same timeness where the one is going in the anti-spin while the other one's going in the in-spin looks kind of funky. But I think the other one is more complicated looking, because it kind of is more complicated because you're hitting an up and a downbeat in an interval of time. So I think they both have a lot of merit. And you can switch between them. Oops. Not to be confused with switching which hand is doing which. You could switch between split time at the same time. Oops.